Plastic pollution isn't just a distant problem, it's piling up all around us. Our oceans and lands are full of plastic waste. Plastic-eating fungi have been discovered in several places on our planet, with different species found in each location. The Amazon rainforest. In 2011, Yale University student researchers discovered the fungus Pestilodiopsis microspora in Ecuador's Yasuni National Park in the Amazon. This species can survive on polyurethane, a common type of plastic, as its sole food source, and can even break it down in environments with no oxygen, like the bottom of landfills. Pakistan. In 2017, scientists discovered another plastic-eating fungus, Aspergillus tubingensis, at a landfill in Islamabad, Pakistan. This fungus was found to be able to break down plastic polymers in just a few weeks. Germany. In 2024, scientists in Germany identified several species of freshwater fungi in Lake Stechlin that can thrive on synthetic plastics. 4 of the strains were particularly hungry, effectively using plastics, especially polyurethane, as a food source. USA. While the initial discovery of Pestilodiopsis microspora occurred in the Amazon, it was identified and studied by students from the US-based Yale University. Other studies involving plastic-eating fungi have been conducted in the US and elsewhere, including research on edible oyster mushrooms that can degrade plastic. These mushrooms are a breath of fresh air in the global plastics crisis. There is hope that our generation will not exit this world with the guilt of billions of tons of plastic outliving us for millennia.